Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and home decor aficionados. Today, we're diving into some fantastic ideas and trends for sprucing up those indoor stairs. Whether you're looking to add a touch of personality, elevate your home's aesthetic, or just seeking inspiration, I've got you covered with some amazing decorative ideas that'll transform your staircase into a stylish focal point. Let's start with a timeless classic, carpeting. It's a practical choice that adds warmth, reduces noise, and provides a non-slip surface. Opt for a plush, patterned, or solid-colored carpet to match your home's decor. Consider a bold runner for a striking visual effect, or keep it subtle with a neutral hue to complement the surrounding space. Next up, staircase lighting. Lighting can work wonders in accentuating your stairs. LED strip lights along the edges or underneath each step can create a modern, futuristic vibe. Alternatively, pendant lights or wall-mounted fixtures can add a touch of elegance, illuminating the staircase while doubling as eye-catching decor. If you're into a more rustic or natural look, wooden accents might be your go-to choice. Try adding wooden panels or reclaimed wood cladding to the risers or even the entire staircase structure. It brings warmth and a cozy feel to your home, perfect for those who adore a cabin or farmhouse aesthetic. For a bold statement, stencil designs or decals on your stair risers can be an absolute game-changer. Think geometric patterns, inspirational quotes, or even whimsical designs. They're an easy, budget-friendly way to add personality and flair to an otherwise overlooked space. Now, let's talk about plants. Yep, you heard that right. Embracing a trend that's here to stay, consider placing potted plants strategically along the staircase. Hanging planters or a lush green wall can breathe life into the area, infusing freshness and nature into your home decor. If you're a fan of a minimalist look, glass or acrylic balustrades could be your best bet. They create an open, airy feel while maintaining safety. Clear or frosted options are available to suit your preference, allowing light to pass through and visually expanding the space. Ever considered tile or mosaic accents? Adding tiles or mosaics to your stair risers can introduce color, texture, and personality. Play with different patterns, colors, or materials that complement your home's overall style. It's an artistic approach that's sure to captivate attention. Now, let's not forget about gallery walls. Who says they're only for living rooms or hallways? Adorning the wall alongside your staircase with a collection of artwork, photographs, or even a themed display can make your ascent or descent a visual delight. For the ultimate luxe touch, metallic accents can work wonders. Incorporate brass, copper, or wrought iron elements into your staircase railing or balustrades. These metallic finishes add sophistication and a touch of opulence to your home. One trend that's gaining momentum is stainless steel cable railing. This sleek and modern option offers a contemporary look while providing safety and allowing an unobstructed view. It's perfect for those who appreciate a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Another innovative idea is painted stairs. Transform your staircase into a vibrant focal point by painting the steps in a gradient of colors, creating an ombre effect, or using bold contrasting colors for each step. It's a fun and bold way to inject energy into your space. For a touch of elegance and sophistication, consider adding a runner rug. Instead of fully carpeting the stairs, a runner rug down the center can add a pop of color or pattern while showcasing the beauty of the wooden steps. It's a great way to introduce texture and style without covering the entire staircase. Have you thought about mirrored accents? Placing mirrors strategically along the staircase can make the space appear larger and reflect light, brightening up the area. Choose framed mirrors in different shapes and sizes to create an interesting and reflective display. If you're inclined towards a vintage or eclectic look, antique or salvaged railing could be the perfect addition. Hunt for unique and ornate railings from salvage yards or antique shops. Refurbish them if needed and install these historic pieces to infuse character and charm into your home. Incorporating industrial elements into your staircase design can create a trendy and edgy vibe. Think exposed metal beams, pipes, or industrial-style lighting fixtures. These raw and rugged elements can add an urban chic appeal to your home. For a whimsical and imaginative touch, bookcase stairs are an innovative idea. Design your staircase with built-in bookshelves or cubbies under each step to showcase your book collection or display decorative items. It's a space-saving solution that doubles as a captivating design feature. Consider accentuating the banister. Instead of focusing solely on the stairs, give attention to the banister or handrail. Wrap it with colorful ropes, twines, or ribbons for a playful and unique look. This creative twist can instantly elevate the visual appeal of your staircase. An often overlooked element is staircase landings. Transform these intermediate spaces between flights of stairs into cozy reading nooks, mini art galleries, or small seating areas. Personalize these areas to create intimate spaces that break up the stairway and add functionality. Vinyl decals or stickers offer a fantastic way to add a temporary yet visually appealing touch to your stair risers. Choose from an array of designs like floral patterns, nature-inspired themes, or intricate artistic decals. They're easily customizable and can be changed whenever you desire a new look. Floating stairs are a contemporary architectural trend that creates a striking visual impact. These stairs lack traditional risers, giving the illusion that the steps are floating in midair. Constructed with sturdy support underneath, they offer a modern and open feel to your space. For a touch of luxury and glamour, marble or granite accents on stair treads or risers can exude opulence. These natural stones come in various colors and patterns, adding a touch of sophistication and luxury to your staircase. Chalkboard paint on stair risers is an inventive and fun way to unleash your creativity. Allow family members or guests to doodle, write inspiring messages, or leave notes. It's an interactive and playful addition to your home decor. Embracing geometric designs on your staircase can create a contemporary and eye-catching appeal. From hexagonal tiles to chevron patterns, playing with geometric shapes adds a modern touch while adding visual interest to your stairs. Have you considered understair storage drawers or cabinets? Maximize space efficiency by utilizing the area under your stairs for storage purposes. Install drawers or cabinets that seamlessly blend into the staircase while providing functional storage solutions. Rope or cable railings offer a unique and nautical-inspired aesthetic. Replace traditional railings with ropes or cables for a distinctive look. These materials are not only visually appealing but can also complement various interior design styles. Stenciled numbers or letters on each step can add a quirky and personalized touch. Whether it's numbering the steps or spelling out inspiring words, this creative approach adds character and individuality to your staircase. Lastly, LED-lit steps are a contemporary and futuristic choice. Install LED lights directly into the steps or along the edges to create a dramatic and visually stunning effect, especially in dimly lit spaces. Remember, there are countless ways to embellish and enhance your indoor stairs. Let your imagination run wild, mix different ideas, and experiment with various styles to create a staircase that reflects your unique personality and complements your home's ambience. I hope these additional ideas have sparked even more inspiration for your staircase decor journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more home decor inspiration. Happy decorating!